Hi everybody. We have the fair trade market today in Luang Prabang World Heritage City. The most important that we just call To Phung. To Phung is the animal flags that you just use it for playing or respecting or worship to the temple. And we are going to do that decoration with the sand stupa on the island of Mekong River. But however, To Phung, that means is the animal flag. The lady just carry it down to the top and the man just carry it up to the, just carry it like this here. But it's your To Phung. To Phung, that means when you carry it. And let's go to cow here with me. To Phung is used for counting. If you are 18 years old, you count from. If you are the lady, you count from here to the top. But if you are the man, you count from the top that to the bottom. Let's for example, if you are 18, you count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you count 2 times. 8, and you count 2 times is 16. If you are 18 this year, you are here. Naka is your animal that you just belong to Naka today. The Naka meaning that you have powerful, and it's very cool because Naka stay in the river that we call To Phung. So enjoy visiting with us and count it up. That. The man count it up. Thank you so much. The other thing we have this one. We just put the material in here that they call just the siakot that you let the old year go with the old year, but the new year you will bring the fortune. So you will put this one, burn it and leave it with the river. That's why the only thing we go with the old year. That means if somebody last year is not so good, so you leave it with this one and leave it on Mekong River. Thank you so much.
บัวได้แม่เจียกับบัวได้เราซอยเราเดินไว้